Hey everyone, finally got the viral toaster maker. I finally got it, and I can't wait to show you and how it works. I can't wait. I'm gonna show you all guys together on camera. I can't wait to show you this viral toaster maker. Come and follow me. I haven't got any room to put you guys, but just come and follow me, and we go and make this together. I'll go and get all the ingredients. Okay, now getting all the ingredients together to make my sandwich for the toaster maker. I have no room to put you anywhere. I don't know where to put you, but I'm gonna put it here. Gonna get all the ingredients. Here's the toaster maker. I can't wait to see how this toaster maker will work. Let's get the ingredients. Here's the ingredients to make a sandwich. Let's make a sandwich. Let's see. Here's big cheese and ham. Okay. Do you know what? I can't wait to see how this toaster maker is going to work. Let's go find her. Yes, that's me leaving the fridge open. I don't know if that happens to leaving the fridge open. Beep, beep, beep. Okay. Let's take this out of its box. Let's take it out of its box. Yeah. I opened it yesterday. Open it up. Put it back. Oh. Gotta be careful because it's open. Opened it yesterday. This is what it looks like, the toaster maker. I'll show you guys on camera. This is what it looks like. Okay, now let's try. See, making a sandwich will work. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see if this viral toaster maker will work. Okay. First, I'm gonna cut the cheese. I'm very good. Who's very good at cutting cheese? Let me know if you're very good at it. Because, yes, look how big this block of cheese is. Bigger than me. I'm just gonna see how good it works. Let's see how good this toaster maker works. Yeah, my dog in the background. I may have to go get him. Let's pause this for a moment. Okay, I'm back now. Now we'll cut up the cheese now. We'll cut up the cheese. Outside is pretty cooked today. Time to cut up the cheese. Oh yeah. Maybe, what is the best way to cut the cheese? Maybe with that. There you go. I wet the knife. Yeah. There you go. Cutting up some cheese. This is going to be a very long video. How to make a sandwich. Okay. Oopsies. All right. Now, I get the bread out. Let's see how this toaster maker works. To see if it's legit or not. To see if it's better than the air fryer or better than a toaster thing. Okay. Now, gotta butter the bread. I think you got to put the butter up or down. Gotta put it down. Oh yeah, you gotta put the butter down. That's right. Oh, that's right. Yep, you gotta put it down. This is the top part of the butter. Okay. Now we put the cheese. I always put cheese first and then I'm going to see if I can find my ham, because I don't think I took it out. Oh yeah, I did. Do you know what? Sometimes I have a blank moment in these days and see where anything is if I can't find anything somewhere. Let's see if this Varro toaster thing works. I was going to make eggs, but I just wanted to see how this works. Could make eggs still. Look, I got my doggy right next to me. Maybe I might put some more cheese to see how it works. I might put a bit more. Might put a bit more cheese. Because he doesn't like it. Who likes that? Cheers. Okay. As I say, 2 to 3 minutes, is that correct? Yeah, it doesn't really say how long, really. It doesn't say exact of how long. I think it's 2 to 3 minutes, yeah. I think I got it the wrong way. Yeah. I think it's 3 minutes, I think. Okay. Let's go. Like, I have no idea here. Here you go, here's the rest. Take the rest. Okay. Let's go see how this toaster maker works. I meant to put it for 3 minutes. Okay, just give me a second. Let's see. I'll tell you how this works. I got a microwave in my pantry. Does anybody else have a microwave in their pantry? Yes, let's go see if this Varro toaster thing works. Okay, oh shit, can't. Okay, here you go. It's in the microwave now. Gonna put it on for 3 minutes. Where is it? Oh, here. I got to 3 minutes. Let's see. Okay. We will come back in 3 minutes and we'll see how it works. We're going to see how this works. We see if it's good or not. See if it's worth the hype and everything. Like, because we're going to see if it's worth the hype. Yeah. Like, because to me 3 minutes is not that long, but still it is. Yes. Let's see how this toaster maker will work. Okay. I'll come back and I'll show you the results soon. I said, oh, I can't wait to all show you all this toaster. Let's see how it did. Let's see how it did. Let's do a dance, shall we, while we wait? We're gonna do that. We are gonna do a dance. You see, if you want to buy it, this is what it looks like. You can get it from, I only thought you could get the toaster maker at Kmart. You can get it. Let's go. Let's make this toaster. I'll be back. I think it's almost finished. I'm going to show you all because it's almost finished. Look at this. Oh my God. It smells good. It smells like an actual toast. Oh my God. Okay. Just give me a moment. I have to take it out of the microwave. Here you go. Here it is. Right in my hand. The toaster maker. gonna open it up on camera for you guys to see if it's worth the hype. I may have to get maybe a big plate to put it on. Let's see if it doesn't. Hot. There you go. Let's see if it's legit. Okay, let's see. Oh my Lanta. Look at that. It actually worked. I'm not kidding. Move. My dog's in the way. Oh my God. Look at that. Hear that? Hear that crunch, baby? Oh my God, it actually worked. Oh my God, look at that. And the best part about it, it didn't make a whole complete mess. It is easier to clean up. Like, it's easy to make. This is one of the best things I've ever got, and this is the best thing Australia's ever got, and whatever I got. This is the best. Look at that. Let's go see. I'm going to cut it open for you guys. Ooh. I think I've got to wait for it to cool down now. Oh. It's really hot, guys. Do you know what? You should all go get it. Look. So, didn't even make a mess. This is the best thing I've ever got. Okay. See you later, guys. Enjoy. Bye.